everyone, Lassie here. Today's Sunday and I'm gonna start a diet on Monday, so I want to make this cute little confetti cake. You put it in a teacup and it puffs up and it's really awesome. So I'm gonna make a little snack here as a celebration before I have to start dieting. So I've never made one of these really before. I made one and it didn't turn out that good because I ended up microwaving it too long. So here we go, and it's really cute in there, little confetti pieces. And it says to put in 5 tablespoons of heavy cream, so I'm going to find my measuring spoons. Or not, I might just use a regular spoon. That looks like a tablespoon. Anyway, it says you can put fruit in it, like strawberries and stuff, and I would do that, but I just don't feel like doing that right now, so I'm not going to. There we go. I'm actually going to use that again. I'm going to make some icing. Anyway. It looks kind of gross right now, but it's going to look better in a minute. Yeah, and it tastes good raw. Anyway, we're going to put that in for a minute and 10 seconds. And while that is in there, I am going to make a little tiny bit of icing because, like I said, I'm celebrating it. Okay. So another spoonful. Yeah, just 1 spoonful of cream. Some vanilla. Oops, that is way too much vanilla, but okay. Then some powdered sugar. Oh, it smells so yummy in the microwave. Oops, okay. That's got to be enough sugar. Okay, and here's how it looks. Cute little cake. I just gotta finish mixing this together. cutest icing. The last icing I made was much cuter because I put strawberry in it, and it was pink. But yeah, we got very vanilla icing put on top. It's kind of soupy, oops. But, yay. Very cute cupcake. And that's how it looks inside with like all the little dots and stuff. You can see better now. Cute confetti. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm going to eat this up, and then tomorrow I'll start my diet, and I'll tell you about that pretty soon, okay? So see you next time. Bye-bye.